Most men think they need to chase women, impress them, or somehow convince them to feel something. But what if I told you that every time you chase, you're actually pushing her further away? What if I told you that attraction isn't created by what you say or do, but by what you radiate? This isn't another surface level dating talk. This is about the hidden psychology of desire, the reason why one man is forgotten within minutes and another stays on her mind long after he's gone. You're about to understand something most men never do. A woman doesn't fall for your looks, your money, or your charm. She falls for yours energy, the way your presence makes her feel when she's around you. She may not even understand it herself, but she feels it instantly. And when you learn how to master that energy, when you stop chasing and start commanding attention, everything changes. She leans in. She starts wondering about you. She begins to feel a connection that logic can't explain. This video isn't about tricks. It's about transformation, about shifting from the man who seeks validation to the man who embodies value. Because once you master your energy, you stop trying to be chosen. You become the choice. You'll see how to awaken a woman's desire without saying a word, how to make her feel your absence more than your presence, and how to create attraction without trying. So before you scroll away, hear this. If you've ever wondered why some men effortlessly draw women in while others constantly chase, you're about to discover the truth. Stay till the end, because once you understand this, you'll never see attraction the same way again. You know, the biggest mistake most men make is thinking attraction begins with what they can show rather than what they can radiate. They spend hours perfecting their look, their outfit, their gym body, their bank balance, even their online persona, and still wonder why the woman they want doesn't feel it. It's because attraction doesn't start from the outside. It starts from your energy, from your frequency, from the way your presence makes a woman feel before you've even said a single word. Every human being emits energy, confidence, insecurity, peace, or chaos, and women, by nature, are highly intuitive to that energy. She may not be able to explain it logically, but she can feel it instantly. When your presence feels stable, calm, and self-assured, she feels safe in your energy. She doesn't consciously think, "I want this man," but she feels drawn to you. It's a pull that's emotional, not visual, but if your energy feels scattered, needy, or restless, she feels it just as fast, and no matter how perfect your words or appearance are, she'll pull back. You see, energy can't be faked for long. You can rehearse charm, but you can't rehearse presence. Presence is born from how deeply connected you are to yourself. When you walk into a room without the need to prove, perform, or please, you emit quiet authority. And women sense that. It's not arrogance, it's self-possession. The kind of energy that says, "I know who I am, and I don't need your reaction to confirm it." Most men are trying to project strength while secretly battling insecurity, and women pick up on that dissonance. They might not know what's off, but they feel it. Like static in the air. A man who's at peace with himself doesn't need validation because his confidence isn't borrowed from attention. It's built from alignment. That's the difference between energy that attracts and energy that repels. You can't manipulate energy, you can only elevate it. Elevation happens when you live with intention, when your actions, words, and mindset align with something greater than just getting the girl. It's when you operate with purpose, not performance. That's when your energy sharpens. You become clear, decisive, focused, and that clarity creates magnetism. Because clarity is rare, most people live in confusion, emotionally scattered, constantly reacting to others. But when a man operates from stillness, from inner certainty, it changes how every woman experiences him. A woman might be physically drawn to many men, but she will emotionally invest in the one whose presence grounds her. Because women crave emotional stability more than surface-level excitement. They want to feel seen, not chased. They want to feel safe, not controlled. And only a man who is in control of his inner world can make a woman feel safe in his energy. That's why emotional discipline is the foundation of masculine energy. Your body language, your tone, your eyes, they all speak before your mouth ever does. When your energy is calm, you don't rush to fill silence. You don't over-explain yourself. You don't seek approval. And that quiet confidence forces her to pay attention. Because now, she's not reacting to what you're saying. She's feeling who you are. And that's when attraction shifts from something physical to something psychological. Remember, women are emotional creatures. They fall for how they feel around you, not for who you claim to be. When you're centered, when your energy is balanced, when you're not chasing, you create emotional space for her to move toward you. And the moment she feels that freedom, that you're not trying to take anything from her, that you're not desperate for her attention, she starts giving it willingly. That's the paradox of attraction. The less you try to control it, the more powerful it becomes. The moment you stop chasing outcomes and start mastering your energy, people begin to respond differently because your vibration shifts from seeking to radiating, and radiance is irresistible. So if you want to make any woman feel drawn to you, stop asking what she wants to see and start asking what energy you're giving off. Don't focus on being impressive. Focus on being aligned. Because when your energy is right, words become secondary. Looks fade, charm fluctuates, but energy, real, grounded energy, that's eternal. The truth is, the most powerful thing a man can ever walk into a room with isn't his looks, his money, or his words. It's his calm. Because calm is confidence, and confidence is the language attraction understands best. So master your energy, and the right woman will feel you before she even knows your name. You can't make a woman want you by trying to convince her. You can't talk her into attraction. You can't text her into desire, and you can't perform your way into her emotions. Real desire doesn't respond to logic, it responds to energy, emotion, and mystery. A woman doesn't fall for a man she simply likes. She falls for a man who awakens something in her that she didn't even realize was asleep. And that awakening only happens when you stop trying to earn her interest and start embodying the kind of energy that draws it out of her naturally. The reason most men fail with women isn't because they're not good enough. It's because they're too focused on being liked. They move from their heads instead of their essence. They want approval, they want reassurance, they want to feel chosen. But here's the truth. The more you chase validation, the less a woman can feel your power, because energy that seeks approval is the opposite of energy that awakens desire. You don't awaken attraction by needing something from her. You awaken it by standing so firmly in your value that she begins to feel something different in your presence, something she can't fully understand but doesn't want to lose. That's the secret most men never learn. You don't have to do more to get her attention. You have to be more. Not louder, not flashier, just more grounded, more intentional, more certain of who you are. When a woman senses a man who doesn't need to be validated, her subconscious reacts immediately. She starts to feel this magnetic tension, the balance of safety and mystery. Safety because your presence feels emotionally stable. Mystery because your confidence doesn't demand her validation. That balance activates something ancient in the feminine mind, a desire to connect, to understand, to be near that energy. The moment you stop trying to impress and start expressing your truth, you become unpredictable in the best way. You're no longer performing, you're being. And being has gravity. It draws people toward you effortlessly. When you're not trying to manipulate outcomes, you create space for authenticity. And that's the very space where attraction thrives. Think about it. Every time you've met someone who felt effortlessly magnetic, it wasn't what they said that moved you. It was how they made you feel. Their presence carried weight. Their confidence wasn't noisy, it was grounded. They weren't seeking approval because they already approved of themselves. That's the state you have to reach as a man, a place where your worth isn't up for negotiation. Because when you live with that kind of inner certainty, a woman's energy starts to shift around you. Suddenly, she's not evaluating you, she's experiencing you. She's not analyzing your words, she's drawn to your essence. You've moved from chasing attention to commanding presence. And that's where emotional attraction begins, not in her mind, but in her nervous system. When a woman feels that balance, when she feels your confidence without arrogance, your calm without detachment, your strength without aggression, she begins to trust your masculinity. And once trust enters the equation, attraction deepens. She starts to see you differently, not because you've changed who you are, but because you've stopped hiding it behind the noise of insecurity and performance. The truth is, you can't awaken attraction if you're disconnected from yourself. A woman feels your self-connection before she ever feels your charm. And if you don't feel at home in your own skin, she can't feel at home in your presence. That's why internal alignment matters more than any technique or strategy. So instead of asking, how can I make her like me? Ask, what kind of energy am I creating when I'm around her? Are you tense? Are you overthinking? Are you trying to impress? Or are you fully present, calm and confident in your silence? Because the difference between men who get ignored and men who get remembered is how deeply they make a woman feel herself in their presence. You awaken attraction not by chasing her emotions, but by mastering your own. Because when you master your emotions, you stop reacting. And when you stop reacting, you start leading. That leadership, that emotional dominance, is what stirs the feminine mind. She doesn't crave a perfect man, she craves a present man. Remember this, a woman doesn't fall for the man who gives her the most attention. She falls for the man whose energy forces her to feel something she can't explain. And the moment you stop trying to be chosen and start embodying the man she can feel, everything changes. Because attraction isn't something you create through effort. It's something you've revealed through presence. And once you understand that, you'll never chase again, because you'll finally realize you were never supposed to. There comes a moment in every man's life when he realizes that all his effort, all his trying, all his proving, has only pushed what he wants further away. You chase her, you text her, you show interest, you give more than you should, and instead of drawing her closer, she pulls back. And you're left wondering, what did I do wrong? The answer isn't in what you did, it's in what you needed. The energy of need is the silent killer of attraction. Because what you chase, you place above yourself, and whatever you place above yourself, you lose power to. The most magnetic men aren't the ones who try to control outcomes, they're the ones who have mastered the art of non-attachment. That doesn't mean they don't care. It means they don't cling. They can desire a woman deeply, but their sense of worth doesn't depend on her response. They operate from emotional freedom, not emotional dependence. And that freedom is what creates power. You see, the mind wants certainty, but attraction lives in uncertainty. When a woman knows exactly where she stands, when she senses you'll always be available no matter what she does, her curiosity dies. Desire needs a little tension, a little unpredictability, a sense that she could lose your attention if she stops nurturing it. That's not a game, it's psychology. We value what feels earned. When something or someone is always available, our mind takes it for granted. But when we feel their presence could disappear at any moment, we start to cherish it. Non-attachment doesn't mean you stop giving. It means you give without expectation. You can love, appreciate, admire, but your self-respect stays intact. That's what separates a man who's emotionally strong from a man who's emotionally desperate. When your happiness is not dependent on someone else's approval, your energy becomes untouchable. And that's when a woman starts to feel safe, and intrigued by you, because she senses that your world doesn't revolve around her. There's nothing more attractive than a man who can walk away with grace. Not in anger, not in ego, but with calm certainty. Because that's the moment you show you're guided by self-worth, not emotional impulse. A man who can walk away doesn't need to threaten or prove anything. His silence says it all. And women feel that. They might test it, they might resist it, but deep down they respect it because it communicates strength. When you detach from outcome, you create emotional gravity. Your focus shifts from trying to get her to trying to be your best self. You stop living reactively and start living intentionally. You stop chasing what's not choosing you and start embodying what deserves to be chosen. And that energy shift is impossible to ignore. It's why men who have mastered detachment often attract not just women, but opportunities, respect, and peace. Because they've learned the hardest truth of all, that you can't hold on to anything by force. You can only attract by alignment. It's easy to think detachment is coldness, but it's actually clarity. It's knowing that your life doesn't begin or end with one person. It's understanding that love should complement your purpose, not replace it. When you live from that place, your energy becomes balanced. You're not desperate for connection, but you're open to it. You're not chasing validation, but you're grateful for genuine appreciation. And that balance, masculine balance, is what a woman craves the most. The irony is, the moment you stop trying to control whether she wants you, that's the moment she starts to, because she feels your independence. She feels that your emotions are not her responsibility. She feels the quiet power of a man who chooses himself first. And nothing draws feminine energy faster than masculine self-respect. So understand this. Non-attachment isn't about playing hard to get. It's about being hard to shake. It's not indifference. It's emotional mastery. You've trained your mind not to chase chaos. You've trained your heart not to confuse excitement with value. You've trained your energy to remain stable no matter who enters or leaves your life. And that kind of man, centered, calm, and complete, will always stand out in a world full of noise. Because at the end of the day, the real flex isn't winning her over. It's not needing to. Let that sink in. When you become the man who doesn't need to be chosen, you automatically become the one who is.